She was on vacation with her husband, and they were scoping out graveyards on the way, as you do when she saw it. Rising out of the old cemetery, big as an old telephone pole. Was this some kind of bizarre art piece the authorities hadn't gotten wise to yet? Even as she stepped out of the car, the megaphone on its head screeched to life. 9, 18, 1, child, 17, remove, while a buzzing, doubled voice screamed random words at her. At this point, it jerked into the motion, striding down the hill towards her.
Siren Head! Do you know about Siren Head? Siren Head is a wholesale cryptid and urban legend created by the artist Trevor Henderson. It's a tall, mysterious humanoid creature known for its odd appearance and the various sounds that emanate out of its head, which consists of a metallic pole with sirens attached to it. So, if you don't know about Siren Head meme, well, you're not a fan of memes, okay? When I saw this Siren Head trend, I decided to make an artwork, so this is what I made, and I'm gonna show you right now step by step how I made that artwork. First, I found this picture and video, and I decided to crop it with a quick selection tool because I'm dumb bass and I should have used pen tool, but I'm dumb bass. So here I was straightening the edges a little bit to make it look more natural. I found this picture, so I thought it would be a perfect fit for this vibe I want to have. I decided to blur the window using field blur. I decided to fill that empty space right next to the window. I wanted to have multiple Siren Head behind the village. I added 2 more Siren Heads to make that depth of field. Then I use camera raw filter to blend that all in and make it prettier. So for me, Siren Head is very creepy and unusual meme. I think people will think up some other ways to make Siren Head more creepy and different. I mean, they do that with every other meme, so it will develop, it will grow up, it even might be the meme of the year. If you enjoyed the video, guys, make sure to kick that like button in the face and subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet, and turn on post notifications to get more amazing videos like this, because I post every day, and I hope to see you in the next video. This is Pajárko. Peace out!